There's one on the first cast. Coming up, coming up. Look at that. How about that? First cast. He ain't a real big one. But, golly bum, how about that? Can't beat that. About 12 inches, but you know, that's a fish on the first cast. We're down here on Cumberland. We're between snows again. And we're gonna chase these smallmouth some more. Y'all hang tight, let's go fishing. There's a good one. How about that? Get in that net. How about that? Another good fish. Get that. Got my swim bait all jacked up. Going on. Looky there. How about that? About that. And you got that old swim bait. About that. There's another one. That was probably about 15, 16 inches long. Pretty looking fish. That's number 2 today. We're on them, I hope. Here. That. A fat little sucker there. Alright. On a silver, buddy. About that one. He's probably 1.5 pounds or so. But look how fat that sucker is. He's been eating well. How about that? He's pretty. Let him go. Look at that one. That's a good one there. Oh my, got it in there sideways. Look at that. Sideways. Ooh, look at that, pretty fish. Look at that one. Look how pretty that thing is. Probably. Let's get him here in the sun before we let him go. Look at that thing. Woohoo! A nice fish. Here we go. How about that? Oh, that's a good one there. That's a good one there. Want to go down, isn't he? Oh my, don't be jumping now. That one. That's a thick one. Looky there. Woohoo. Look at that thing. Let's go up there. Right in the top of the mouth, that swim bait. How about that? That one wasn't coming off. Not coming off. That's the way you like to see them. Get it. Alright, there it is. That's a good fish there. That one might be close 17 or so. About that. That's a pretty one. Cannot complain. Look how fat that thing is. Woohoo! Let her go. Away she goes. Another one. A little big one. That's a spot. Oh, come back here. A spotted bass. How about that? He ain't very big, but he's pretty. Look at that thing there in the sun. Woohoo. There he is. He ain't very big, about 12 inches. Nice little fish. Pretty fat though. We'll keep fishing. Well, here we are. We're at the end of the day. About to head to the house. We've had an alright day today, considering it's been cold and snowy and all that stuff. We started to put in at the state park, and well, that ramp had snow and ice on the road going to do it. So we backed up and put in at the dam today, and well, we ended up catching quite a few fish today. I'm happy. It's so we caught fish today on this little Kitech swim bait. It's a 4-inch swing impact. I'm not sure what the color is, but it's a shad color. And then we just had it on a do it walleye head here, and we was either throwing a 3/8 or a 1/2 ounce. Started out with a 1/2 and then went to the 3/8, trying to slow it down a little bit. I don't know, maybe should have stuck with the 1/2 because we caught fish on it this morning. Caught one on this thing, first cast. That kind of worried me there a little bit because you know how it is. The other baits we had was just our blade bait here. It's a silver buddy thing. It's a Do It Molds blade bait, 1/2 ounce gold and with some chartreuse paddle paint. And then kind of when it got bright and sunny, I switched over just a straight silver one. So I switched over to that silver one because it got bright and sunny, and sometimes that flash and everything kind of helps them fish find it and whatnot. So we caught a few on it, and then we caught a few on the gold and chartreuse one too. But so that's something to keep in mind. Keep them things, mix and match them, see what works, because it changes from day to day. Other than that, the fish, they were scattered. I did not catch 2 fish off of one point or cut or anything else. It was always one fish here, one fish there, so just had to keep moving. So I wouldn't say it's on fire down here, but it's certainly entertaining enough to ward off some cabin fever and catch a few smallmouth. So anyways, if y'all like this, picked anything up, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up down there. It helps it get out to the YouTube algorithm. We'll catch y'all out here next time. We're out.